Have you ever noticed how, despite a full night's sleep, you can still wake up feeling completely drained? Many of us start our days with heavy eyelids and a longing for just a few more minutes in bed, hoping that somehow, a magical surge of energy will appear and carry us through the day. We sit on the edge of our beds, rubbing our eyes, waiting for that spark to ignite. But more often than not, that burst of energy never seems to arrive, leaving us to wonder if we're missing some secret ingredient that others seem to have. It's easy to believe that energy is something mysterious or even magical, like a special gift that only a lucky few possess. We look at energetic people and assume they were simply born that way, while the rest of us are left to struggle through the day, fighting fatigue and wishing for more. But here's the truth. Energy isn't a matter of luck, genetics, or some mystical force. It's not about being born with a boundless supply or inheriting it from your parents. Instead, energy is the natural result of the choices you make every single day, your habits, your routines, and the way you care for your body and mind. Every decision, no matter how small, adds up. What you eat for breakfast, how much water you drink, whether you take a moment to stretch or move your body, and even how you wind down at night. All of these choices play a role in shaping your energy levels. It's not about one big change, but the sum of many small, consistent actions. Think of your body like a car. If you want it to run smoothly, you need to give it the right fuel, keep it well maintained, and allow it time to rest. You wouldn't expect a car to run on empty, or perform well without regular tune-ups. So why expect your body to be any different? The quality of your fuel, your food, your hydration, your rest, determines how far you can go and how good you feel along the way. Instead of searching for quick fixes or miracle solutions, focus on building habits that support your well-being. It's not about overhauling your entire life overnight, but about making small, positive changes that you can stick with over time. Laying out your running shoes the night before, prepping healthy meals in advance, or simply taking a few deep breaths when you feel stressed. These are the building blocks of lasting energy. The secret isn't in drastic, unsustainable changes, but in the power of small, consistent actions. Tracking your habits, setting achievable goals, and celebrating your progress can help you stay motivated and see real results. Over time, these little steps add up to big transformations in how you feel every day. Mastering the basics, like eating nourishing foods, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and practicing mindfulness, creates a strong foundation for your energy. These simple practices are often overlooked, but they're the true keys to feeling vibrant and alive. When you prioritize these essentials, you'll notice a difference not just in your energy, but in your mood, focus, and overall well-being. Remember, this journey isn't about being perfect. It's about making progress one step at a time. There will be days when you slip up or feel tired, and that's okay. What matters is that you keep moving forward, learning from your experiences, and giving yourself credit for every positive choice you make. In this guide, we'll break down the science of energy into simple, practical steps that anyone can follow. You don't need a degree in nutrition or a personal trainer to start feeling better. You just need the right information and a willingness to try. You'll discover how to fuel your body with the right foods, stay hydrated throughout the day, and create a sleep routine that actually leaves you feeling refreshed. We'll also explore how small changes in your daily habits can have a big impact on your energy and vitality. Plus, you'll learn how to use mindful practices, like meditation, deep breathing, and gratitude, to recharge your mind and body. These habits don't just boost your energy, they help you feel more present, focused, and resilient in the face of life's challenges. The power to change how you feel is already in your hands. You don't need to wait for a miracle or hope for a magical burst of energy. By taking small, intentional steps, you can transform your daily experience and unlock a new level of vitality. So, are you ready to leave the myth of magical energy behind? Let's start your journey to a more energetic, vibrant life, one simple step at a time. Your main source of energy is food. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats fuel your body. Each plays a unique role. Carbs from whole grains and veggies give quick, steady energy. Proteins and healthy fats keep you full and satisfied. Highly processed foods and sugary snacks cause energy spikes and crashes. Choosing whole, unprocessed foods provides high-quality, lasting fuel. Food isn't just about taste, it's about fueling your body and mind. Make conscious choices and you'll feel the difference in your daily energy. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated. Focus on simple rules. Eat the rainbow, prioritize whole foods, and avoid processed snacks. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables for a variety of nutrients. Choose whole foods, like apples over juice, or potatoes over crisps. Eat regular meals and healthy snacks to keep your energy steady. Don't skip breakfast, it sets the tone for your day. Listen to your hunger cues. Eat when hungry, stop when full. Practice mindful eating. Slow down, notice your food, and chew thoroughly. Avoid distractions like screens while eating. These habits improve digestion and help you enjoy your meals. Simple changes can unlock a new level of sustained energy. Water is essential for energy, yet often overlooked. Your body is mostly water, and every cell needs it to function. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and poor focus. Water helps transport nutrients, flush out waste, and keep your body running smoothly. Dehydration makes your heart work harder and slows everything down. Thirst is a late sign. By then, your energy may already be dropping. Don't wait until you're thirsty to drink. Make hydration a daily habit for better energy and mental clarity. Water is the foundation of vitality. Keep it simple. Drink regularly throughout the day. A well-hydrated body supports every other healthy habit. Never underestimate the power of water. Building a hydration habit is easier than you think. Carry a reusable water bottle everywhere as a reminder to drink. Start your day with a big glass of water to rehydrate after sleep. End your day with a small glass, but not so much it disrupts sleep. If plain water bores you, add lemon, cucumber, or berries for flavor. Herbal teas count too, just watch the caffeine. Link drinking water to daily habits like before meals. Set reminders if you forget to drink. These small strategies keep your energy steady all day. Hydration is a simple, powerful way to boost vitality. Make it automatic, and your body will thank you. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a biological necessity. It's as essential as the air we breathe and the water we drink. Every night, our bodies and minds undergo a series of restorative processes that are crucial for our overall well-being. Without adequate sleep, we compromise our health, our mood, and our ability to function effectively. While you sleep, your body repairs, your brain resets, and your energy stores recharge. This is the time when your muscles grow, tissues repair, and cells synthesize proteins. Your brain, on the other hand, processes the information you've gathered throughout the day, consolidating memories and clearing out toxins that accumulate during waking hours. Skimping on sleep leads to sluggishness, cravings, and poor focus. You might find it harder to concentrate, make decisions, or even remember simple things. Over time, sleep deprivation can lead to more serious cognitive impairments and emotional instability. Chronic sleep loss weakens your immune system and disrupts hormones. This makes you more susceptible to illnesses and infections. Hormonal imbalances can lead to weight gain, increased stress levels, and a host of other health issues. Deep sleep clears toxins from your brain and supports memory. It's during this phase that your brain's lymphatic system is most active, flushing out waste products that can contribute to neurodegenerative diseases. This deep rest is also when your brain consolidates memories, making it easier to recall information later. Without enough rest, you're more irritable, less creative, and less resilient. Your ability to cope with stress diminishes, and you may find yourself more prone to mood swings and negative thinking. Creativity and problem-solving skills also take a hit, making it harder to come up with innovative solutions or new ideas. Prioritize sleep as you would food or water. Create a bedtime routine that signals to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This range is optimal for most adults, though individual needs can vary. Pay attention to how you feel during the day to gauge if you're getting enough rest. Good sleep is the foundation for daily energy and long-term health. When you're well rested, you're more likely to make healthier choices, stay active, and maintain a positive outlook on life. Make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Limit screen time before bed, keep your bedroom cool and dark, and avoid caffeine and heavy meals in the evening. Invest in sleep, and you'll see the benefits everywhere. From improved mental clarity and emotional stability to better physical health and increased productivity, the advantages of good sleep are far-reaching. Rest is your nightly reset button. It's the time when your body and mind can recover from the day's stresses and prepare for the challenges of tomorrow. So, make sleep a priority and give yourself the gift of rest. Better sleep starts with better habits. Keep a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Create a calming pre-bed routine. Dim lights, read, or stretch. Avoid screens and stressful activities before bed. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Block out light and noise and keep electronics out of the room. Good sleep hygiene signals your brain it's time to rest. During the day, take short breaks every hour. Step away from screens, stretch, or breathe deeply. These micro breaks recharge your mind and prevent fatigue. Small changes lead to deeper sleep and steadier energy. Your mindset shapes your energy as much as your habits. Chronic stress and negative thinking drain you. Mindful practices like journaling or gratitude can recharge your mind. Spend 5 minutes writing thoughts or planning your day to clear mental clutter. List 3 things you're grateful for to shift your focus to the positive. Spend time in nature. Even a short walk boosts mood and focus. Notice your surroundings to anchor yourself in the present. If you can't get outside, look at a plant or nature photo. These small moments reduce stress and restore energy. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for daily vitality. Protect your energy by caring for your mind. Let's bring everything together and create a daily plan that helps you feel energized, focused, and balanced from morning to night. Think of this as your personal roadmap for building habits that support your body and mind, one step at a time. Start your morning by hydrating with a glass of water as soon as you wake up. This simple act helps kickstart your metabolism and rehydrates your body after a night's rest. Pair this with gentle movement. Try a few stretches by your window or step outside to soak up some natural sunlight. These small actions signal to your body that it's time to wake up and get moving, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Next, fuel your body with a balanced breakfast. Choose foods that combine protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, like eggs, avocado, whole grain toast, and fresh fruit. This combination provides steady energy, keeps you full longer, and helps you avoid mid-morning crashes. Remember, breakfast isn't just about eating, it's about nourishing your body for the day's demands. Throughout your day, keep a water bottle within reach. Make it a habit to sip regularly, not just when you feel thirsty. Staying hydrated supports your focus, mood, and overall energy levels, especially if you're busy or working indoors. When hunger strikes between meals, reach for whole food snacks like fresh fruit, mixed nuts, or cut veggies. These options provide nutrients and fiber, helping you maintain steady energy and avoid the ups and downs that come from sugary or processed snacks. At lunch and dinner, fill your plate with a variety of colorful vegetables and whole grains. The more colors you include, the more vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants you'll get. These foods not only fuel your body but also support your immune system and long-term health. Don't forget to take mindful breaks every hour. Stand up, stretch your arms and legs, or step outside for a few deep breaths of fresh air. These short pauses help reset your mind, reduce stress, and keep your energy from dipping during long periods of work or study. As your workday ends, transition into your evening with a walk, some gentle yoga, or another relaxing activity. This helps your body and mind shift gears, releasing any tension built up during the day, and preparing you for a restful night. Before bed, wind down by putting away screens at least 30 minutes before sleep. Dim the lights, and choose a calming activity like reading, listening to music, or practicing deep breathing. These habits signal to your brain that it's time to rest, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. End your day with a moment of gratitude. Think of 3 positive things that happened, no matter how small. This simple practice can boost your mood, reduce stress, and help you sleep more peacefully. Over time, these daily habits work together to create a system that fuels and protects your energy. You'll notice more consistent focus, better moods, and a greater sense of well-being as you make these routines your own. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Celebrate each small step and every positive change, no matter how minor it may seem. Start with just 1 or 2 habits and gradually build your routine over time. With patience and consistency, you'll create a daily energy plan that truly works for you. Mastering these habits, nutrition, hydration, sleep, and mindfulness, lays the foundation for vibrant energy. Consistency is key. Small choices add up to big results. Some days will be better than others. Just keep going. As you build these habits, you'll notice more focus, better mood, and lasting energy. This is just the beginning. Once the basics are in place, you can explore advanced strategies like breathwork, exercise, or syncing your schedule to your natural rhythms. The journey to more energy is personal and ongoing. Celebrate your progress and keep investing in yourself. You've already taken the most important step, deciding to change. The vibrant life you want is within reach. Keep going. Your energy is yours to create.